All right, now if you've seen a few other videos of us out here at Calaveras, there is a creepy occurrence
Right here.
which we're about. There you go. Look at there you go. Yeah, I cannot fake this. That is as real as it gets. And if you look, we are absolutely surrounded by these things in every direction. They are just waiting for what you're about to see David do. Now, get ready for the horror show. Here it comes. Chicky. It never ceases to amaze me.
It's really kind of scary.
It is very scary.